Hi everybody. Today I thought I was gonna do an unboxing of Yoshi's new island for the 3DS. It looks like that. Super duper cute. Look at that, how cute that is. Cute. Super cute. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna check if I can get this plastic off. Get this plastic up. Open it up like that. Open it up like that. I think I'm getting the plastic off now. Great. Beautiful. I love Yoshi. I love Yoshi. I play Yoshi since I was a little baby. Okay, Yoshi's new island, and look how cute and beautiful. Beautiful. Look right here in the back. That's the back side. That's the back side. And there is this side. Super cute. Let's open up and see what we have. Wow. Cute. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look at that. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. I cannot wait to try this out. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'm going to make another video where I'm playing the game and just telling you things. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, thumbs up, rate, do all of those things, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.